In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add several digital planner stickers to your Notability planner. Hi, I'm Taz from Preshplan. Let's open Notability to get started. An easy way to add stickers or any other image to your planner is to use the plus sign on the top right corner of the app and add your image from your library or from your camera. Notability has this cool option of adding GIFs to your planner, and they will work in the same way as a digital sticker. You can search at the top bar and find something you like. If you only need to add stickers occasionally to your planner and those images are inside your photo folder, then this is a simple way to do it. However, if you want to add several stickers that are not located inside your photo folder, you have to use split view to be able to add those images to Notability. To split the iPad screen, you need to gently swipe up from the bottom of your screen until you see the dock. The iPad dock shows all your favorite apps and those that you have just recently opened. Tap and hold the app where your stickers are located, then drag it to the side of the screen to start split view. Once you find your stickers, you just need to drag and drop the images inside Notability. Repeat the process for all the stickers you want to add. Once you are done, just swipe the folder up to the side to have the full view of Notability again. With the scissors tool, you can now resize and move your stickers around the page. And now that they are inside Notability, you can just copy and paste them in other notebooks if you want to. Click on a video on your screen to learn further about how to use digital planners inside Notability.